The 1MORE SonoFlow wireless active noise-cancelling headphones redefine practicality and an unmatched listening experience. Any audiophile in search of superb sound without breaking the bank will find these headphones their go-to companion. The SonoFlow's appeal lies in its dual certification for high-res audio and high-res audio wireless, complemented by lossless LDAC codec support. The impressive high transfer rate brings music to life, letting you capture every subtle detail and previously hidden nuances in your music collection. The stock sound signature has crisp highs and dynamic bass sound all through the mid-range. The soundstage is very wide, which is great for immersive gaming and pinpointing footsteps. The SonoFlow also comes with mobile app support, allowing you to access a range of convenient features through the 1MORE Music app. From the app, you can effortlessly check the battery level, update firmware, control various functions, enable LDAC, explore soothing sounds, and access 12 EQ presets. Additionally, the app lets you create your own sound signature using the 10-band EQ. However, it's important to note that button remapping is not available with this feature set. The ANC performance is very good, aided by the EARCUP pad design, which keeps external sounds at bay, making the SonoFlow perfect bustling offices, walking outdoors, or noisy commuting. There is transparency mode too, which is always useful to stay aware of your surroundings when jogging or when using public transportation. The SonoFlow's battery life is one of the biggest selling points. With ANC off and 50% volume, the headphones offer an amazing 65+ hours of continuous playtime on a single charge, making them perfect for extended journeys or long listening sessions. Even with ANC activated, the battery life is well over 45 hours. Moreover, from a quick 15-minute charge you can get 5 hours of battery life. The SonoFlow's comfort and lightweight design are another notable feature. The PU leather earpads are amazingly soft and the clamping force isn't excessive, which is nice for prolonged use. Weighing a mere 256 grams, you can wear them for hours without experiencing any discomfort. Functionality-wise, the SonoFlow uses a Bluetooth 5.0 chip, which provides seamless and stable connectivity. Additionally, the support for dual device connection lets you effortlessly switch between a laptop and phone, making multitasking a breeze. For those moments when you need a wired connection, the SonoFlow includes an audio cable for seamless usage. It's worth noting, though, that the headphones use a 2.5mm to 3.5mm wired connection. Also, in Bluetooth mode, audio cannot be listened to while charging, but this is possible in wired mode. Regarding call quality, the microphone performs well in quiet and indoor settings, particularly during work-related Teams calls. However, in outdoor conditions, especially when it's windy, the microphone's noise filtration degrades the call clarity. The 1MORE SonoFlow's foldable design means you can reduce the footprint of the headphones by folding the ear cups inwards. As well as folding, the ear cups rotate flat and tilt up and down. On board the ear cups, you find clicky physical buttons for controlling play, pause, volume, ANC, voice assistant, track skipping and calls, answer, end, decline. The headband, folding hinge, and ear cups are predominantly constructed from plastic, with the ratchet-style headband featuring a metal inner, reinforced with plastic and metal. The headband padding and EARCUP padding are covered with soft PU leather, providing comfortable cushioning. However, the breathability of the PU leather remains a concern, though the SonoFlow earpads seem to minimize sweating. The earpad inner hole is oval, measuring 6 cm in height, 4 cm in width, and 2 cm in depth, while the outer dimensions are 10 cm in height and 7.5 cm in width. The driver has slight padding on top, and the headband padding may be somewhat short, depending on head shape. Nevertheless, a benefit is that the headphones can be comfortably worn with glasses. The top of the headband is also slightly padded and bears the 1MORE logo engraving. In summary, the 1MORE SonoFlow wireless active noise-cancelling headphones offer an unparalleled and user-friendly audio experience that is truly exceptional. The high-resolution audio, outstanding noise cancellation, long battery life, and remarkable comfort make them a top choice for both work and leisure. Next up, the volume test, Bluetooth latency test and sound leakage test.